Hey guys, welcome back to Yardie TV, and for today's video we are doing a very nutritious and delicious green juice. Yes, this juice is intended to assist with helping to reduce blood pressure. Yeah, this morning the hubby woke up with a slightly elevated blood pressure, and I decided that I would draw for everything that I could find in the fridge that might potentially be used to combat that. So right here we have a nice spread of vegetables. We have asparagus, cucumber, we have some parsley, we have a piece of ginger, celery stalks, and some green grapes and Granny Smith apples. Yes. So we're gonna get to juicing, and trust me, it's nutritious. From there. So now our celery. Celery is also an antioxidant. It reduces inflammation. It is an alkaline food. Yes, and we should always try to alkalize. That's the word? Yeah, to get the body to be in an alkaline state. It's rich in vitamins A and K, vitamin C, potassium, folate, and many other nutrients. Yes. All right. So our juice is all done. We got this much, which is about enough for making 3 glasses. Yes. And this is just your, just your rich, straight from your vegetables and fruit, concentrated juice that will go straight to the bloodstream and do its magic, work its magic in the body, of course. And guys, the grapes and the apples will help to sweeten the juice and give it a nicer, more palatable taste, and combat all of the other ingredients that might not be as tasty. So of course, lemon makes everything better. Yes, and lemon also is an alkaline food. It's weird. It seems acidic, but when ingested, it alkalizes. Is alkalizing? I don't know if that's a word. But yeah, it puts the body in an alkaline state and it adds an amazing flavor to juices. So that's what we are doing, adding some lemon. And this is an amazing way to start your day, with, it being the first thing that you take in the morning. It just gets a chance to do its work in the body for it to, just help to kickstart the digestive system. And it, goes straight to the bloodstream and does its magic, like I said before, works the magic. Just mixing in the lemon. All right, of course, some ice cubes because it has to be nice and chilled. Yes. All right. Look how delicious that looks. Tell me it doesn't look nice and delicious. It does. Talk truth. Sure. So guys, the moment of truth. This is the man who inspired me to make this green juice for him this morning, because he needs to get well.
I'm not sick.
I know, but I tell him say pressure was a little bit elevated, so that's why I grabbed for everything green in the fridge.
Yeah.
Including raw asparagus.
I'm sorry, what?
I researched it. It's good for reducing blood pressure.
Stop research.
So
I must taste it now?
Yeah, it's not going to taste great, but...
It's not going to taste great, so why you made this big old glass?
Because...
It's too big. It's supposed to be an 8-ounce glass. I'm just going to drink half little. What do you mean it's not going to taste great? It tastes good? Great? What?
It's the grapes and the apple, then save it.
I knew it all the time that it would taste good. I joke.
That's grape.
But it tastes good, man.
Grape, apple, parsley, celery, asparagus.
You want to taste it?
What else did I put in there, guys? I don't remember.
You're going to be surprised. I pass it back. Pass it. You see how far she drink?
Wow. Why are we not making this every day? Guys, you need to make this every day, even if your blood pressure is normal, but this just helps to clean the arteries. You understand? You want to put things in your body that is low in sugar and that has a lot of nutrients, vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, and many more.
Vitamin B,
vitamin.
And of course, anything green helps to detoxify. So green foods is part of elimination. It's detoxification and all that something. So I like it. I like it a lot. So I must drink a bowl like
The whole of it.
Alright, bye.
Guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, rate, subscribe, share, and tell a friend about Yardie TV, because yeah, we have the little tips them, and we have the recipes, and we have the health things and the things and the things and the things. So